Hello, my soapy friends, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Lissa, also known as the Soap Chef on this channel, where we make all things with a rather good lather. I'm a professional soap maker, aromatherapist, and bath bomb expert for over 2 decades. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Good morning, friends. We are back at Creation Station. We're going to make some more bath bombs today. These are going to be some paint your own bath bombs, just white, no color. So yesterday we did all kinds of Santa molds. Today we're going to be doing penguins and snowmen. So let's get that underway. Okay, number 1 penguin. Same situation as we always do. These are all 3 pieces. So this is your bottom plate with the design. You want to put that on the bottom. You want to put your shell or your cylinder, whatever you want to call it, around there, and then you're going to start filling very lightly. Give it a shake. In this batch, I actually put some titanium dioxide because of the fragrance oil that I use to scent this with. Has a tendency to turn it just a very slightly almost like dark ivory. And so I put a little bit of titanium dioxide in here to kind of counteract that just a bit. Add your embeds or your embed powder, however many colors you'd like. Continue sprinkling on the top. Give your shakes. Take your plunger, which is plain, it doesn't have any designs on it. Stick that on the top. I'm going to continue using my arbor press. You guys let me know if you can see this or not. I know the angle is wonky. As I was editing yesterday, it looked, the angle wasn't the best on there. All right, here we go. Just once down the middle and then go all the way around the perimeter. That's what I do with this. And I'm going really fast. You guys are probably thinking she's doing this way too hard. She's going to ruin those molds. I'm really not, you guys. I'm barely pressing. I'm just going really fast. That's all. All right, let's tap around that shell. Tap on the top of the plunger. Turn it over and do that bottom plate, which has the design. All right, see where there's a difference in the depth of these 2 pieces. You want to put your fingers underneath, right? Fingers underneath. And you want to put your thumbs right up on the top of the shell, and you want to be pushing up with your fingers. Straight up. Take the shell off, turn it over. We're going to remove that bottom plunger, which does not have any designs. Take your flip plate or your piece of cardboard, turn it over, and then gently just remove that top piece. If there's any resistance, like there's a little bit of resistance right now, so just do some taps as you're lifting up. I mean, very gently. Boop. All right, there's the 1. Okay, penguin number 2. Put him on the bottom. Shell goes over the top. Do your sprinkling. Shake, sprinkle and shake. Make your little divot, your little well to put your embed powder, or if you just use the regular embeds that are solid pieces, go ahead and place them wherever you'd like. More sprinkles on the top. Shake. Take your plunger, right on the top. I'm going to turn it this way this time. All right, once down the middle, and you can feel it go down just a little bit, and now go all the way around the perimeter. Okay, and the last penguin that we are going to be doing today now this one, the design is on the top plunger. We normally don't do that. We normally like to, for my purposes anyways, when I'm working, I prefer it when the designs are on the bottom plate. It's just easier. It comes out better in my personal opinion, but sometimes we just leave it on the plunger part. So, all right, let's do our sprinkles. I'm not going to do my poke in his little hat. Let's just see. See how that goes. Let's move on to the snowmen. So we've got this guy. This has got a plain plate, no design. Put that down on the bottom, put your cylinder on the top. Sometimes you get little teeny pieces that seem like they want to pop off. Just push them back down with your finger. Okay, next is going to be this guy. Plain plate, nothing fancy. Take our plunger. All right, next we just have a head of the snowman. So that's the plate. That's going to go down first. Then our shell goes on the top of that. This size is actually good, and I pair these with a bunch of other bath bombs that are about this size. And all of those little pails that you can find at the Dollar Tree with penguins and Santa and Christmas trees and sleds and the whole 9 yards, all the Christmas things. I put a bunch of these smaller size bath bombs in one of those little pails. They sell like hotcakes. That's an interesting phrase. They sell like hotcakes. Is hotcakes a big seller? It's pancakes. How hot could the pancake selling be? I have questions. And I need answers. All right, let's take our plunger, which is plain. You see some crumbling right there, right across the brim. We're gonna fix that with painting, but just be aware of that. Okay, our last one of the day. plane. Okay, you guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. I'm going to keep on rolling. Got lots to do. 'Tis the season, don't you know? If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up, share, comment, do all those YouTube-y things. If you are interested in any of the molds that we demoed here today, they can be found on Soap Chef 1 on Etsy. Some of these are up on my regular website, soap-chef.com. Some are not. The best bet always is to go over to Etsy. That is updated pretty much almost daily. All right, you guys, we're going to take off. But until we meet again, be kind and stay humble. Please take care of yourselves. We'll see you soon.